Hello everyone. In the Builtup script instrument, you have all the F&O stock in the symbol along with the price and the OI. Then price change in the percentage term and the OI change in the percentage term. You can see Builtup on the left side of the symbol for each and every F&O stock. That is long, short covering, short and long unwinding. On the top, you have a symbol in which you have Nifty and Bank Nifty along with their build-up. L means long, S means short. Price, OI, price change in the percentage term and the OI change in the percentage term. Further, you can select your desired expiry and can see the number of stock in the L, that means long, number of stocks in LU, that means long unwinding, number of stocks in the S means short, and number of stock in the SE, that means short covering. Thank you.